spot where I came on my birthday and caught those fish. Now I underestimated the wind today. It is very windy. I already apologize for the sound, but I'm still going to go out there. I'm still going to risk it because the rest of the week it's going to rain. So if I don't go today, I might not have a chance the rest of the week. Hopefully it isn't too miserable. Let's see what we can make happen. Hopefully we can catch something. Today, using a push pole, pick this one up. I already tell it's making a big difference because this stuff is not fun to paddle through. So with how high the water is today, it's very clear too. Should be able to use the pedal drive pretty quickly. Oh, I just seen a tail or a gar nose. I'm not sure what that was. Right there. Just missed a flounder. He came off right here at the kayak. Didn't even know I had a fish on. Change out GoPro batteries. I'm about to leave this spot. I had that one blow up and that one miss right there in the grass. That one blow up on the spook. Alright, I'm gonna tie on. Pop a cork. Damn, what is that right there? Oh my god. I'm on. Yes. What is that? Oh, it's a good bass. Wow. That's a good bass out here. It's like yellow. Look at that. Skunk's out of the boat. Exactly what we're after, but I will take that. I bet there's more than one over there. I bet they're schooling up bait fish. I may throw that donkey rig over there. jig. Purple ring on. There we go. Put that on the jig. That's a big boy. And then I'm gonna put gulp on the popping cork. Alright, I need a gulp shrimp. These normally get the job done just about anywhere you're at. I'm going to shorten that leader, but 3 foot for now. That's a terrible cast. Oh, he got hit. Get to the bottom, try and fish against the wind. Oh shit, that was probably a flounder, but damn, first cast. What is it with the first cast with new baits? I'm getting tapped. Oh, he hit it again. Come on, take it. Yeah, we're about to get one of them. Whatever this is. How? How did he come off? Man, whatever it is, it wants it. It just ain't getting it. Definitely a flounder. He's cutting up my bait. Get this out there again. There we go. There we go. There's a red. Oh yeah. This one's running far. Coming at me now. that's a big red. That's a big one. That's a nice red. That's a nice one. Get him through the grass. Alright. That's a good red right there. Let me get my net. As long as I can keep him on these grass mats, he can't run too far. He fought like a monster. Thought he was a lot bigger, but I was just pulling back 5 pounds of grass with him. Man, he was running like crazy. Alright. Right in the corner of the mouth. Purple rain got him. Let's see. 24. 24. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So for how slow today has been, this is a great fish. 24 inches. That's a nice fish. Let this bad boy go. Put up a good fight. Maybe we can catch another one before we head out. There it goes. That was a good red. Good red. Oh shit. I got a fish. I hope I was recording that. Oops. Bass number 2. Look how yellow these marsh bass are. Got a crab. Well, hello, motherfucker.